Okay, you have this first f of x. It's quantity x plus 4 cubed minus 6. Okay, your a is what value? Oh, it's a weird angle. What's the a value? If you don't see it, what is it?
Is it x? Yes.
What is it? 1. Remember, if it's 0, all of this collapses because everything times 0 is 0. So then you have you don't have a cubic function. You just have a horizontal line. Okay, what's my h value? Yes, -4. So remember, it is f of x equal a x minus h cubed plus k. So it's just like you guys know it. Whoopsie, sorry. All right, and what's my k? -6. So your inflection point is that hk. So it is -4, -6. So if you -4, -6. And so that's where the cubic function is going to kind of flatten. It almost looks like a chair or a seat. So you'll see it where the right side will be the back, the front side is kind of like where your legs. And it's a seat. And so that's where it's kind of flattened a little bit. So it's going to be increasing. It's a positive orientation, but it's going to be moving upward. But we need to get the points. And you don't want to go too far away. You do want to go to the right and the left of the inflection point because you want to see how flat that little inflection area is where it changes concavity. Okay, so if I put in -4, -6 here, I'm going to take -3 and I'm going to take -5. But there is no symmetry. It is not a quadratic. Okay, so I grab a calculator. You can put the 1 if you want, or you don't have to. Okay, let's see if I can get it. So am I going to plug in -3? -3 plus 4 cubed. So just remind your head you're plugging in the cube function. It's actually common where students on a test or a quiz, they'll do the squared just because you're so used to it. Just make sure you have someone looking at your math. Yeah, okay, so let's hit equal. I get -5. So -3, -5 is here. And then let me plug in -5. And I get -7. And so it looks like a line, but it isn't. I'll get my phone and kind of show you. It flattens, it like does this. Okay, I'll go in. And then we'll go -2, -6. Substitute -2, I get 2. So -2 is 2. So it's and then what's -6? -14. And so obviously that's like way off. All right, whatever. Well, okay, point is it's going down, right? I'll just do this. All right, and so this is what the cubic function looks like. Where's my phone? Let's look at Desmos. So just remember, there's no symmetry. You know how to substitute into a function. Yeah. Oh, -14. -14, thank you. Y equals x plus 4 cubed minus 6. Okay, and so if I look at my phone with Desmos, here, okay, your inflection point isn't going to show. Remember, it only shows your critical points as far as your intercepts, right? So there is, see how it flattens out there? Because this is concave down, right? Here is concave down. That would be kind of like your vertex, but then it kind of reflects. And then this is concave up here. And so a cubic has an inflection point when it changes concavity, okay? Okay, you guys will do the other three. It's pretty straightforward. So I'll give you guys time, and then